Welcome to The Millionaires, which help you better understand personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people dream of: building a passive income portfolio. The idea of having a steady stream of income coming in without having to put in constant effort is quite appealing, isn't it? But how do you go about building a passive income portfolio? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take you through the steps of building a passive income portfolio, in a friendly tone that's easy to follow. Before we begin, let's quickly define what a passive income portfolio is. A passive income portfolio is a collection of investments that generate income without requiring active involvement from the investor. These investments could include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, bonds, or even businesses that are managed by others. The goal of building a passive income portfolio is to create a steady stream of income that can supplement or replace your current income, allowing you to achieve financial independence and security. Step 1. Determine your financial goals. The first step in building a passive income portfolio is to determine your financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your passive income portfolio? Are you looking to supplement your current income, or do you want to replace it entirely? Are you saving for a specific goal, such as retirement or a down payment on a house? Understanding your financial goals is critical in determining what kind of investments you should include in your portfolio. If you're looking to supplement your current income, you may want to focus on investments that generate regular, predictable income, such as dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. If your goal is to replace your current income, you may need to focus on higher-yielding investments, or those with more significant growth potential. Understanding your financial goals will help you create a portfolio that's tailored to your needs. Step 2. Determine your risk tolerance. The second step in building a passive income portfolio is to determine your risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take on to achieve your financial goals? Investments that offer higher returns typically come with higher risks. Are you comfortable with the volatility of the stock market, or would you prefer investments that offer more stable returns, such as bonds or real estate? Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial in determining the asset allocation of your portfolio. Asset allocation refers to the mix of investments you hold in your portfolio, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. A portfolio with a higher allocation to stocks will generally offer higher returns but also comes with higher volatility. A portfolio with a higher allocation to bonds will generally offer more stable returns but may not provide as much growth potential. Balancing your portfolio's asset allocation with your risk tolerance is critical in creating a portfolio that's suitable for you. Step 3. Research and select your investments. Once you've determined your financial goals and risk tolerance, it's time to research and select your investments. There are many different types of investments you could include in your passive income portfolio, including dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. They're typically mature, stable companies that have a history of paying dividends. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. They typically pay high dividends and offer exposure to the real estate market without requiring you to own physical property. Bonds. These are debt securities issued by companies or governments. They typically pay regular interest payments, and are considered less risky than stocks. Rental properties. These are physical properties that you own and rent out to tenants. They can provide a steady stream of rental income, but also require more active management than other investments. Peer-to-peer lending. This is a type of lending where individuals lend money to other individuals or businesses, often through an online platform. It can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds, but also comes with higher risks. There are many other types of investments you could include in your portfolio, but these are some of the most common. It's important to do your research and select investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. When researching investments, there are several factors you should consider, including historical performance. Look at the investment's historical returns and how it has performed during different market conditions. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it can give you an idea of how the investment may perform in the future. Yield. Look at the investment's yield, which is the income it generates relative to its price. A higher yield generally means more income, but also comes with higher risks. Fees. Look at the fees associated with the investment, such as management fees or transaction fees. These fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to understand them. Diversification. Consider how the investment fits into your overall portfolio and whether it provides diversification. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Step 4. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Once you've built your passive income portfolio, it's important to monitor and adjust it over time. Markets and economic conditions can change quickly, and your investment performance can be affected by a variety of factors. It's important to regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. There are several things you should consider when monitoring and adjusting your portfolio, including rebalancing. Over time, the asset allocation of your portfolio can drift from your desired allocation due to market fluctuations. Rebalancing involves selling investments that have performed well and buying investments that have underperformed to bring your portfolio back to its target allocation. Adding or removing investments. You may need to add or remove investments from your portfolio based on changes in your financial goals or risk tolerance. Tax implications. Consider the tax implications of any changes you make to your portfolio, such as selling investments that have appreciated in value. You may want to consult with a tax professional before making any significant changes to your portfolio. In conclusion, building a passive income portfolio takes time, research, and effort, but it can be a great way to supplement or replace your current income and achieve financial independence. By determining your financial goals and risk tolerance, researching and selecting investments, and monitoring and adjusting your portfolio over time, you can create a portfolio that's tailored to your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Good luck on your passive income portfolio journey. Okay friends, I hope you like this video and you get good knowledge from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for such a valuable video. Thank you for watching.